G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm off to Domino's because they've brought back their Philly cheesesteak pizza. I had one years ago, I think, and then all of a sudden it disappeared. But it's back, so let's whip inside, grab one, suss it out, and see how good it tastes. Let's go get one. Well, here we go. The Philly cheesesteak pizza. $12 for this one. It's got, well, who knows how much it weighs. Well, we can easily find out with the scales. All right, now the box usually weighs about 120 grams, so let's see. All right, well that's showing 600 grams. So that means that the pizza weighs approximately 480 grams. Well, that's not too bad. If I was a complaining man, which, let's face it, I usually am, I'd still think that's all right. Anyway, let's suss it out and see what it looks like. Oh, yes. I love the reveal. Da, 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 da. Ah. Oh, well, that's looking all right. I can see the steak on it and the capsicum and the... What is on this? Well, the Philly cheesesteak is supposed to be tender strips of seasoned steak, sliced capsicum, mushrooms and red onion with an American-style cheddar sauce base with stretchy mozzarella. Well, how about we start off trying some of that seasoned steak? There seems to be plenty of it there too, which is great. The last pizza I got was a lamb pizza and I think there was like one piece of lamb on it. So this is a nice welcome surprise. All right. Seasoned steak, eh? It's got more of a hammy taste than a steaky taste. Might have been seasoned with ham. Still tastes all right. Now, it has been a little while since I bought it, so the chances of getting even the slightest bit of stretch out of this pizza's, well, I'm going to call it right now, 0 chance. And I was right. Oh well. But let's see what it tastes like. Oh. Got a bit of cheek with that. Oh. Oh. Well, if there was a whelming, and that's there, and up there was overwhelming, and down here was underwhelming, my first bite would be, where's whelming again? About there or about there? Hopefully, the second bite would be better. It wasn't that flavourful. It was a little bit bland. It doesn't taste at all like a Philly cheesesteak that I've ever had. But let's go again. This one might be better. Oh, there was some stretch. Some more steak there. That was a bit better. I got a bit more of that cheese sauce that is the base on that one. It really boosts the flavour when you get more of that. I think probably what they need to do is put more cheese sauce all over the top so you can really get it in each bite. Because I don't think this piece here would have a lot of cheese sauce towards the edge, but let's see. Well, it's a different colour, but as far as sauce goes, well, where is it? Yeah, so I definitely would like more cheese sauce on it next time. Maybe on the base and a squirt all over the top. I mean, it's a pretty basic pizza. It could easily be in their $8 range, that's for sure. And the flavour of it, well, I think a pepperoni pizza probably would be better than this one. At least that pepperoni pizza tastes like pepperoni, where this doesn't taste like a Philly cheesesteak whatsoever. But I think I've had enough of it now to know what score it's getting. Out of 10. Well, value-wise, $12. Well, it does weigh about 180 grams more than a $12 hamburger. Although in reality, it's only an $8 to $10 pizza. Well, that's in my opinion. And well, what's my opinion worth? Well, the people behind the counter that served me today, they seemed to care because they double-checked and made sure that I got the right pizza. Flavour-wise, well, I mean, the steak on it could be steak, could taste like ham. It doesn't taste like pepperoni, and I wish it sort of did. The toppings on it, pretty basic. Not many. There was quite a bit of steak there, though, and, well, there was a bit of capsicum there, and onion. But it was really missing a lot of more base sauce, that cheesy sauce. It was like almost the star of this show, and, well, there wasn't enough of it. I would have liked more on it, especially right towards the edge of the pizza. It was pretty bland. It wasn't exactly exciting, but when I did finally get some of that cheese sauce in the back of my throat, mixed in with everything else, it did taste all right. You do taste all the ingredients when you bite in, especially that green capsicum. That one seems to really fill your mouth with a nice fresh flavour. It doesn't exactly taste like a Philly cheesesteak. If it had more gooey sauce on it, cheese sauce, I'm sure it might have, but it was just lacking in that. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Philly cheesesteak pizza, I think this one deserves a 6.8 out of 10. It's a little bit bland. It's a little bit boring. It could have done with some more cheese sauce to add more flavour to it, but I mean, it tastes okay. But if I was going to be getting a pizza from Domino's, I think I'd just stick with their pepperoni one. The best value and tastes better than this one, I reckon. But you might like it. Have you tried the new one? If you have, what did you think about it? Did you love it? Ooh, yes, you might have. Although you might not have. If you did, let me know down below. Well, I might take the rest of this pizza and, well, walk down the beach and suss out what's going on down there. Maybe catch a wave even. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I eat some Domino's. See you then. Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the